going to show you how to design a very simple banner with just image and write up with a transparent background. So it's very easy. So I'm going to click my plus sign now to continue. Illustrate. I'll be using Instagram story post. So for we need to input our background. Click on background. So okay, I better just take white. Let's make it white background. So just looking for white background. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to upload an image. So come to image. Okay, let me pick this one. I'll add to page. Alright. So you go for the image to download to your Canva app. Alright. So I'm going to increase this. By dragging the edge. So I'll just click on that and drag. So I want to be very bold. So I'll still drag. Okay. Not good enough. Alright, so okay, I guess we are good to go. So now this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add a transparent background here. I'm going to go to shape. So just come to graphics and pick this particular transparent background. We're saying it's like this. This one looks transparent, so I'm picking it. I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to increase the size. Okay. I think I still have to increase it. It all depends on what you want really, but I want this place to be I want this place to be covered. I don't want to see in the background here. That's why I'm doing that. Okay, in that case may be different, so I prefer it like this. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some write-up. So I'll come here and click on text. Alright, I'll scroll down to see if I like any font. Okay, I just click there and add text first. Let me just write on there. Okay, I have to edit that. So I'll just click on it. You see that my network is disturbing me a lot, so I'm going to move this one up. You can see that the design is kind of slow. I can duplicate that if I want. And I can edit the text. So you click on edit. Let me write something else here. Okay, let me just write let me write foundation. Right, so later come back to edit this write up. Okay. I'll duplicate that. So when I finish writing, I will just edit everything once. Okay. Children. So I'm still going to duplicate this one. So in order to let me just make it faster, so I just have to duplicate them. So I edit this one too. Let's say our tomorrow, our pride. Our tomorrow, our pride. Okay. 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 God's heritage. All right. Okay. So this, let me shift this one up a little. So I'll move this one up. Also with this one foundation, move it closer. I want to reduce the font size a little bit. I think it's too big. I reduce it to, let's say, 20. Oh, all right. Okay. Oh, this is good. 28 or let's say 26. Let me just reduce the fonts. You can also edit it yourself. That's what I'm doing now. So make it 26. All right. Let me duplicate that. Bring this one here. Then edit. Okay. Let me write on celebrate. Let's see. We're going to go with this. So I'm going to look at. I want to change the font. I'm going to look at any good fonts. Currently not seeing anyone here. Oh. Just hold on. Okay, let me use this one. So what we do, we increase the size of the font. Increase very bold. That's too much. Okay. Alright. So I would like to still edit the font. It's not too visible because I can't even bold it as a font. I can't bold that. So I'll give it a color. Let me say try yellow if that's possible. Alright. Then let me add something. Let me add shape. You can see that we have the finished shape. Okay, I'm looking for something kind of transparent shape. Alright, I'll take this one. Let's bring this one here. Okay. So we're going to look at, I'm going to change the color to something similar. So all these colors are the features. Alright, so let me go ahead and change this font. Right. I need to be bold and color should be white. So we'll change this one also. Color should be yellow. Okay, this should be bold still. Then this. I'm trying to make. Okay, I'll make this one. It all depends. It depends on what suits your design. So I'm making this one white. Alright, so how much need to do? Okay. I wish I can get another phone that is better than this. It would have been better. Let me duplicate this. So just um, so I'll just delete that. Okay. So I'm going to delete this because I want it to have a different color. Okay. So I prefer this to be white. Change the color. This will be white also. Then the heads, this children, I need it to be yellow. Okay. So it all depends on the way you want your design to be. I guess we are good to go with this. So you can also add yours. So it's very easy for you to use Canva to design. It's very easy for you to use Canva. It's one of the most easiest software out there when you're using phone to design. And try to resize this. So trying to navigate through your phone is kind of a little bit difficult. Unlike using your system. Mind you, Canva have a laptop. I have a laptop version. So you can decide to use laptop. You can decide to use laptop for it. That would be better off. So for those that don't have laptop, this is how you use your phone. It's not that easy, but it takes time for you to navigate through because you need to slow you down actually. I'm just trying to see if we can still add something to this design. Okay, let me add something to this. I'll duplicate this one. Okay. Okay, let me edit that. Save them, protect them. I need to recapitulate that. So then all right. So I'm going to reduce this font. So I'll bring that here. All right. Okay, I guess we are good to go. So this is how you design. If you want to increase it, this is how you design with your Canva using your phone, your mobile phone. You can see how easy it is. The navigation will give you some tough issues, but it's worth it at the end of the day. So you can practice this. I'll be giving an assignment so for you to check. So I'll ask you to design something like this with your phone. You don't need to be in a hurry. Just be focused and design. You can design whatsoever you want. Okay. So that is that. So if you want to download this design, what I do is I'll click on this download button. It will automatically create my image. So I believe you already know what that is. So it automatically save your image. So I believe you are done with this tutorial. In our next class, we're going to look at other features and other special designs. So it is practice make perfect. You can't just be good at it. You need to, you need to constantly practice. So you need to download the app. I'm having bad network now. You need to download the app and practice according as I'm teaching. Just practice and ask your question on the group chat. I will be right there to reply. See you in the next class.